Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Coda templates to save time, work faster, and build powerful documents without starting from scratch. Coda templates are pre-built docs designed for different use cases like project management, content planning, CRM, personal productivity, and team collaboration. To get started, open Coda and click on Templates. Browse through the template gallery or search for a specific use case that matches your needs. Once you find a template, click Use Template to instantly add it to your workspace. After importing a template, customize it to fit your workflow. You can rename tables, edit columns, adjust views, and update formulas or buttons. Templates are fully editable, so you're free to remove anything you don't need and add new features like automations, buttons, or linked tables. This makes templates a great foundation, whether you're a beginner or an advanced user. You can also create your own templates from existing docs. Once your system is ready, save it as a template so you or your team can reuse it again and again. This is especially useful for recurring projects, onboarding docs, or standardized workflows. That's it for today. If this guide helped you, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Start using Coda templates today and build smarter, faster, and more organized docs in 2026 and beyond. Hey everyone.